So,
Yes.
Sarabjit and Meher, welcome to Times of India.
Thank you so much.
Nimrit, this question is for you. You have to tell me one habit or one thing that you like about Avinash.
So actually, he knows. I've said it before. I really like the fact that he really is very. I think it is very important to have your cohort with you and for you to be very calm throughout. It is also sometimes very annoying, but at the same time, I think as an actor, it is very important to keep yourself nicely focused. So he has that. Maybe it also, I would say, comes with experience, and of course, he is also very mature. So this is something that I really feel that in the future, I hope to imbibe it in myself. Yeah.
And you have to tell me, Avinash, one habit of or one thing about Nimrit that you like.
What I like about Nimrit is that, first of all, she's very, she's very headstrong, and she's very dedicated towards a task whenever she, comes up with it. And she never gives up. That, never give up spirit of hers really admires me a lot. So I really like that. And I think that the dedication towards a task, as I said, which is very important, because whenever I look upon someone, I always look upon someone this aspect only, that whether the person is equally focused and dedicated, and I clearly see that in her. The way she's come up in this whole one span of 1 year, and the way she's grown as an actor, as a human being, is commendable, and I really respect her for that. I've seen the changes, because I've seen her as a raw person, a raw actor, and now grown and
One habit of one habit of Avinash that irritates you a lot.
So sometimes, okay, so I think one thing which it's not that I dislike about him, but it is something that I don't resonate with, because maybe that's, we're different personalities, so obviously we can't be alike. But then one thing is that, so I'm a very so like I said, that he as an actor is very calm and he is always with himself. His core is with himself, which is why sometimes I feel he's always with himself. So that sometimes it's a little not something that I can relate to. So it's also like his boon is his bane, is sort of what I'm trying to say over here.
So sometimes he comes across as a cold person who doesn't,
No. I would say cold as a very reserved person. So, he has those boundaries, which I don't feel with myself, which is why, like I said, it's not something I dislike, it's something that I can't relate to.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because I'm very calm, composed, and she's very chirpy all the time.
Yeah.
And she wants
and all over the place. So that's not him.
Ambience to be like that.
Yeah.
So that way.
Okay. Avinash, your turn.
My turn?
Yeah.
So it's not it irritates me anything of hers. It's just like I feel that sometimes she's a little impatient at times. That's also she just loses it completely.
Yeah.
And that's like, again, as I said, it doesn't irritate me, but I think this is one of the flaw, I would say, or you can say in a that it is something I think which she should learn, and obviously she'll learn in coming future, obviously, because as I said, she's very headstrong, very focused, and this is one thing I think she will gain with a lot of experience and maturity when she'll grow a little more. And as she's very new and she's just come up with she's very new in this industry also, and she's just coping up with things, and once she will get on with the flow again, and in another probably show or probably another project, she will start to her attention and focus might go towards that task of not getting impatient. But that's not always, but at times especially when she's performing a scene at those times only she just loses that. Maybe it's because of the pressure of the scene, and because she gets totally engrossed into it, and she just lets it go. So maybe that might be a reason.
I don't know.
That comes with maturity, it comes with age.
Who throws more
You're back.
tantrums? Who throws more tantrums between you two? Not
I don't think
tantrums.
none of us.
In fact,
Nobody on our set.
Nobody on our set throws tantrums. Not at all.
That way, we are a very strong team. Yeah.
Okay.
There are no tantrums as such.
Okay. Who
Very
is
simple actors.
okay? Who is most hungry all the time? कि जल्दी से lunch break
Hungry.
हो जाए.
I'm not hungry, but I have my urges. Yeah.
Means I can eat on set, and she can.
Eat anywhere.
She can munch anywhere.
Yeah.
Who takes more time to get ready between you two?
That I do, but it's not true. He takes more time.
Equal time, I think.
It's
It might be like 2-3 minutes, up and down probably at times.
I saw where you point.
Thanks,
Okay.
Richard.
Who keeps looking at the mirror all the time, even between the breaks?
I don't. Mirror. Only when it's required.
Not unnecessarily.
Being
Like,
actors, we are supposed to see mirrors.
No, we know people who see unnecessarily also, but we are not gonna.
Yeah, I think it's a requirement,
Yeah. You
watching
need to
yourself
make
into
sure.
the mirror and then going in front of the camera. It's a process, and I
Follow
think
the job.
supposed to do that.
Who's always on
But we
the
don't
phone?
overdo it.
Who's always on the phone?
On the phone.
You two, huh? Whether chatting, playing game, or calling.
I'm always on my Instagram,
So yeah, I think
and you're always either on
I'll
a
give you a
call
very,
or
standard answer. Everyone's on their phone all the time, So it's like when we are not in our take, and if there is no rehearsal going on, or reading is not happening, or we have given the shot, then we are on the phone.
which is barely any time.
Yeah.
But
Who
That's the
plays
only time we get to interact with our fans.
between you two? Who's the most mischievous one?
Mischievous.
Ah.
That'll be our director.
not
We can't compete with him.
He's the one actually. That's true.
Okay, so that's the rapid fire, second rapid fire. Yeah, it's done. And keep entertaining us like this. And it was great talking to you. Thank you, guys.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye.